Hello everybody, it's me! I'm back, hell yeah! Oh crap, not this lag again! No! Please? Is it still working? Please, still working. Is it still working? Yes, it is. Yay, it's still working. Alright, we're what the heck is this? We don't need this. Let's exit out of this. Hello everybody, it's me, I'm back. Sorry for that terrible intro. I'm good at making terrible intros, just to let you know. So, if you want a terrible intro channel, right here. Hell yeah. Anyways, let's jump right into this shite. Alright. We hacked it, so basically... So I hacked this game, which means I can buy everything, basically. Kind of. I don't know if I can buy everything though. I think I have to wait a bit or something. Or like, I may have to buy more coins. I don't know, but doesn't matter. Alright, shop sale. Sale for what? Let's get some new coins. Special deal, 65 coins. Vault of coins, we need to buy that. Contacting Google Play. Yes, use Lucky Patcher. Hell yeah. So much coins on me right now. We can literally buy every single thing here. So buy a crate of keys. Don't even know why, cause maybe creative keys might like not help. It might do help. Yeah, it helps. I think it does, but anyways, let's go. Earn keys. No, I'm obviously not gonna watch daily video. How dumb is that? I'm obviously not gonna like any of this. No thanks. No thanks. Boosts. Jetpack. Bye. 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 And 2 times multiplier. That actually is pretty bad, but anyway. Let's go to menu. Select this. Nope, I have to log in. I hate that. Oh look, it fell over without him even trying. Jenny, it's bullshit. Frank looks like shite. Sorry, didn't mean to curse. Frizzy, okay. King, maybe. Lucy, no. Ninja, no. Tagbot, yes, please. Thank you. Tasha, no. Zoe, no. Brody, no. Prince K, no. He looks bad. He looks just bad. This, no. This guy, no. This guy, no. This guy, no. Alright, the more the merrier. Everyone loves... own 2 characters. Okay, I own 2 characters. Wow, I'm so smart. Alright. Let's tap to play. To be this bot guy. Let's use a board, because why not? Why not? It's the best thing you could use at the moment. Crap! What the hell? That's just stupid. Oh, come on. Oh crap, died. Well, let me pause this. I'm just gonna go do something. Right, we're back. That was like half an hour for me. But anyways, let's play again. Let's use this, because why not? Hell yeah. Alright, well this game's supposed to be pretty good, but not only is it pretty good, but also it's super easy to hack, so I'll show you in another video. Maybe not. Maybe not. I won't show you in another video. I'm too selfish. Just kidding, but honestly, some of my friends sometimes we have these battles like who could be the best in a game, and if I tell everyone on YouTube, it'll go. No, it won't go viral because obviously I'm not so famous, but just all my friends know my channel. I don't think they subscribe, but if they subscribe, then they'll know when I do it, and they'll probably, use the hacks for the games, and I won't be known as the hacker. They'll probably hack so much, they'll hack more than me, right? And trust me, I hacked a hell lot of games. Like, honestly. Oh yeah, and just to let you know, the last one, because last 4, they're really funny, like the ones with my sister doing some magic tricks and stuff. But anyways, what I'm trying to say, literally the last video, you shouldn't, I mean you should try and watch it, but maybe you should like, you probably don't know, but what I'm trying to say here is, okay, I'm gonna tell you what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say is, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the last one. The last video I made, I wouldn't tell you that, well, to watch it. Oh, sorry, you should watch it, but turn your volume down a lot. Sorry for making this video like 10 minutes later after that other one. It's probably going to be longer, but either way, just turn your voice down for last videos. Hopefully you like my gameplay, because I'm really trying hard, 100% not. So basically just like, subscribe if you feel nice, if you feel good. So thanks everyone for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and as always, peace. I'll let you watch another couple of minutes of my gameplay, and I'll just shut the hell up. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Leave a like, subscribe. I said that lots of times, but anyways, see you in the next video.